Welcome to MarineMax at Rogers. My name is Josh Simonson. Here today to show you our brand new 2018 210 Nautique Super Air. For 2018, Nautique did a bunch of changes on this particular boat, so let's go inside and take a look. So welcome to the inside of the boat. Just like all our other Nautiques, they have a great walkway through here. All you can see is sea decking throughout this entire boat. Wanted to point out a couple things here with the 210. 210 gives you a nice little storage bin right in here. And right underneath the storage bin is the ballast bags. This boat is equipped with 1,750 pounds of ballast, and then we added the Pro ballast to this as well. So great boat for surfing, wakeboarding, skiing, really versatile boat for you. As we come into the boat, just in true Nautique fashion, they have everything on self-supporting hinges. We've got some nice storage right in here. There is a seat cushion that can be put right here so you can fill in the rest of the boat. So for 2018, a couple new things. First, the JL head unit. This is new for 2018. And then you got your different USB ports and auxiliary port here too, if you like. Storage under this seat, and you've got a nice little spot for your garbage can. So this is the new Nautique race car inspired Helm seat. It's a very supportive Helm seat. It also has a nice cutout here for your leg, very, very comfortable, and it does have a bolster seat as well. So for 2018, the 210, this is part of their big upgrade. They went to the 12.4 inch link Panorama display, just like the rest of the lineup with Nautique. Very intuitive system. So for 2018, this is one of the big upgrades that our 210 and our 230 got. Is they now have the 12.4 inch link Panorama display. This is where all your controls are. You're able to control the entire boat right from this one screen right here. It's going to show you the Nautique awareness cam. So if you have a rider in the water, you're able to see them right here from the helm. And then we also have our Helm command, which is right here. It's a nice intuitive, like a mouse. So I can click back and forth. I can click on things. Very easy to use. So if you want to see any more information about the 210 from Nautique 2018, come on down to our Rogers showroom. Love to show you the rest of this boat.